Hello everybody, today I will show the code that Kas and I created to bring the game called Bussen into your laptop. So the game Bussen is a drinking game which is played often at parties to spice up the game, to spice up the evening a bit. You only need a deck for it, a deck of cards, but in a lot of cases when you're at a party you don't have a deck of cards with you. So in this case you could play the game online. So when we run main, you will be greeted by a starting screen which simply says drinking game Bussen. The game consists of 3 parts. First you have a very simple part where you get asked 4 questions. Then you get a card tree, which you have to put down the cards you gathered in the previous parts. And then finally the actual bus happens, which is where the real drinking begins. The game is also multiplayer, so it's made for 2 people. So the first question is the next card red or black? Well, I think it's red. The card is 13 of spades. Spades is black, so I was wrong. So in this case, I would have to chug one bit of a drink. The next question is the same, and then for player 2, I'm going to go with red again. I was wrong again. Maybe I'm not so good at this. Next question, is the next card higher or lower than your current card? Well, it's 13, so it's probably lower. Indeed, I was correct, so I don't have to drink. 8 of spades. It's a bit of a difficult one, but I'm going to go with higher. I was wrong, so I don't have to drink. Next question, is it inside or outside? In this case, I think it's outside. I was correct. In this case, for player 2, I also think it's outside. Correct again. And the final question of the first part, do you already have the suit of the next card in possession? Well, with spades, hearts, and hearts, so I'm going to go with no. Well, we get hearts again, so I am wrong. Do you already have the suit of the next card in possession? Same question. I'm going to go with yes this time. I'm wrong again. Okay, so next part. So here you can see a tree, and you can see for each player which cards he already has. Then he can put the cards down on the tree. Well, in real life, you would have to do this per every row. Our system can just do it automatically. The player who has the most cards over at the end, he has to go into the actual bus. And for each card you can put down in the tree, you can give a certain amount which you can discuss with your friend. You have to give a certain amount of jugs to your friend. Well, in this case, player 2 has 3 matches and player 1 only has 1 match. So he is the loser and he enters the bus. This is the bus. It's very simple. There's 5 cards. You start at the left side, you get your first card, and you have to answer the simple question, is the next card lower, equal, or higher? Well, diamonds, 9, I think it's lower. I was wrong, because it was a 10. So now I would have to drink 1 chug. Okay, next question. It's the first same question. Lower. Okay. Now I'm going to go with lower again. I was wrong. Now, because we were at 2, I have to drink 2 chugs. So 8 of hearts, I'm going to go with higher. Was wrong again. 1 chug. Higher. Maybe higher again. Oh, I'm getting better. Lower. Wrong again. So it takes quite some time to get out of the bus. Hopefully I can actually show us getting out of the bus. No. Yeah, okay. Higher. So close. Well, anyway, you can stay in this bus for quite some while, but once you actually escape the bus, there will be a message saying, you finally left the bus. And then the game ends and you can restart the game if you want. So that's basically our game. It's quite simple, but it is multiplayer and it has 3 stages, making it a pretty complex set of code. We hope people will enjoy playing the game online.